Hello prolog hakani ke video ngakwa ban translate ipi katto kan ne ki contain ki bayate chapang ka jingpang COVID-19 lane ka novel coronavirus diseases. So by the way, let's get started and enjoy watching the video. Khublei shibun. Coronavirus disease of 2019 is an infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2. Kajingpang coronavirus kadai kajingpang balakta daw kunyang jingpang SARS-CoV-2. The virus can spread from one person to another through the cough, sneeze, speak and breath. Une ukunyang jingpang ula ban spreang na uway ubriu cha uway pan lengba bajro sundre Kren but drink same. Masks should be used as a preventive measure from COVID-19. Dai ban pendon kam da kajing tap khamat kum kajing yada na ukunya COVID kat kendai. Avoid public gathering to stay protect from COVID-19. Kial na kajing ya lumpai ba kenang ban yo jing yada na ukunya COVID kat kendai. COVID-19 affect different people in different ways. Kajingpang COVID kat kendai kakta ya bon kibru ha kibabon rukom. The world is in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. Kaprotei kadon hapdeng kaklam COVID kat kendai. Getting vaccines can save many lives. Kajing aitika kan lajim shibun kajing im. If you have fever, cough and difficulties in breathing, call your healthcare immediately. Lada pipangshin jurho but sngew ban ring sim kod ye katanan peit ye koi kia kloi. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, tiredness and loss of taste or smell. Babon kidakishin jongka klam COVID kat kendai kidai bapangshin jurho sngew tight but krodo agi jingbang lane jingsma. Everyone, including younger and healthier people, should get the vaccine once they are eligible to protect both themselves and their communities. Manla way pa way kentup yakibarit but yakibar koj beklain day ban aitika chisen balacha ban ai kenang ban yada yaki but yaka imlang salang. For example, COVID-19 affects brain function in some people. Nuksa kajingpang COVID kat kendai kakta ya karukom krekam kajabeng hakato kan ne kibriu. What should I do if I have COVID-19 symptoms? Kaingan le ladanga don kidakishin jong ukunyang COVID kat kendai. Are there treatment for COVID-19? Don jing sumar ya kajingpang COVID kat kendai. Prepare a separate room or isolated space and keep distance from other. Penkre ban shong laka jong ka kamra lane shong marway ban panyajngai na give. Keep the room well ventilated and open window frequently. Penlight air ya ka kamra jong pi but play ya ka jingkang yit barabo. Keep a distance at least 2 meters between yourself and outside household. Penjengai kumba armita na pedeng jongpi but shabaro kumjo. Wash your hand often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Side yakikti jongpi bon sen da kasabon bat ka kumba a pelsekan. If you are planning to travel, check for the travel advisories and follow precaution. Lada pitmu ban lejing lain, pej bnia ya ka jingpta abalabo, but boat ya ka jingyeta. For many kids, school will only be interrupted for a short time during pandemic. Bon ki kena kila pep school tang sipor hakapor padon ke kelam. The first case of novel coronavirus was reported in Wuhan district of China. Kajingjia banangkong jong kajingpang thamai coronavirus la pentip badon ha kajela Wuhan jong kari China. The virus transmitted rapidly and affected several people within a month. Uknyang jingpang usapriang sted bat kata abon kibriu ha kachibnai. The first person who got COVID-19 in India was from the state of Kerala. Ubriu banangkong bayo jingpang COVID katkandai ha India day na kajela Kerala. Many peoples in the world are facing problem during lockdown of coronavirus. Bon kibriu ha kaparte kishem jinge ha kapor beset kut ya kajingpang coronavirus. Promote health and decrease pollution. Penkiu ya ka koi ka kia, but pendona ya ka sngew jingjabok. Menta ka video ka lagun. Thanks you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Shibun.